Hi, I'm Dave Greenbaum with Dr. Dave Computer Repair. I'm the owner of Dr. Dave Computer Repair. I set the policies. I usually answer the phones. I do a lot of the service calls. I do have a team of technicians that I work with to help your family and your business with your computer needs. I wanted to make this video to explain to you our current procedures to keep us and your family safe from any biological hazards, in particular the coronavirus and COVID-19. I want to start off with the first thing that we're going to do. Our first tool is a thermometer. We're checking our temperature. First thing I'm going to be doing when I wake up in the morning, first thing I'm going to be doing at lunch, throughout the day, we're checking ourselves. We're going to make sure that anyone who has any symptoms do not go out in public. Do not work on your computer in any way, shape, or form. Unfortunately, if one of us gets it, we're going to be a little bit short-staffed, so we appreciate your patience in getting to you. I want to underscore how vitally important we know your computer is. It's your link to your families. It's your ability to work now, because a lot of people are working from home, as well as education. So before we arrive at your home, in the car, hand sanitizer. I've got a ton of this. I actually bought it way in advance because we use a lot of hand sanitizer, especially during cold and flu season when we're at clients. So we've always got this. The next thing we're going to do in your home, we're going to wash our hands. Not just the hand sanitizer stuff. We're actually going to use your bathroom to wash our hands. So one thing we'll talk about later is some prep work we're going to need you to do. After we wash our hands, gloves come on. Again, bought these in advance. Got a lot of them. No worries about that, hopefully. After we put on the gloves, next thing we have is we have our Dr. Dave wipes, which are handy for cleaning your screens and keyboards. So we always have these with us, and we'll leave one with you. We're going to go ahead and we've got an alcohol solution. Spray it on the wipe. Wipe down your computer. Wait a few seconds for that to kind of dry off, and then we're going to turn on the computer. When all is said and done, we're going to use the bathroom yet again. We're going to remove the gloves, wash our hands, and head out the door. And then again in the car, the hand sanitizer. Certainly, we're going to revise these procedures as necessary based on industry standards and medical experts. But fortunately, I grew up in a household where my mom was a nurse. So these were kind of standard procedures. Mom was pretty insistent about that. So it's a good thing. What we need from you, first thing, is for you to take your temperature. Please. If you're not feeling well, don't have us out there. We don't want to be getting sick and unable to serve our clients. So common sense is if you're sick, please call us to cancel. We normally have a 4-hour cancellation policy. Of course, under these circumstances, we'll waive that. We want to make sure that the environments we go into are healthy and safe. If you are under quarantine or sick, we do have an option of loaner computers. We have a modest, currently $25 deposit on those. They're going to be old computers, but they will get you on the internet. And they will be able to get your email and hopefully do remote learning and remote work. So what we can do in those cases is we can coordinate a time where we can drop that off. If you can't hand us the computer or something like that to take off site where we can't easily fix it, then we'll go ahead and we'll work something out. We're here for you, but we don't want to go into homes where you're sick. The other thing, normally we're not using your bathroom at your home. Now, sometimes stuff comes up, we got to use the bathroom, we ask politely. We're going to be using your bathroom in your home. We're going to be using it twice. So we want you to be forewarned that we need your bathroom to be accessible to us. Whether it's your bathroom, your kitchen, someplace where we can wash our hands, because we're going to wash our hands before we do the work and after we do the work. If we all work together on this and follow these procedures, in spite of what's happening in the world, Dr. Dave can ensure that you have a safe and working computer that can get your job done, get your education done, and especially in an era of social distancing, connect with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and thanks for understanding.